You can literally grow a massive grocery haul on a tiny apartment balcony. Forget paying crazy prices for sad, wilted produce at the store. Even if you just have a few square feet of concrete outside your window, you can turn it into a full-blown vegetable garden. First thing, grab some deep containers. You need them to be at least 12 to 18 inches deep for root veggies, and make absolutely sure they have drainage holes so you do not drown your plants. Skip the heavy garden dirt and get a light, fluffy potting mix packed with organic matter. Pots dry out way faster than the ground, so good soil is your best friend. Next, pick plants that actually like being cramped. Cherry tomatoes, peppers, radishes, and leafy greens are perfect for small spaces. Throw in some basil and cilantro, and you have a whole salad bar. To keep bugs away naturally, pair strong-smelling herbs right next to your vulnerable plants, or just keep some neem oil handy. You also need to chase the sun. Your veggies want 6 to 8 hours of light a day. Put your tallest plants in the back so they do not block the little guys, and rotate your pots every few days so everything gets even light. Since they are in containers, check the soil daily. If the top inch is dry, give them a drink, preferably in the morning. If you are running out of floor space, go up. Use wall planters, hanging pots, and trellises for climbing plants like beans and cucumbers. Vertical gardening is a total game changer for balconies. Also, container plants get hungry fast. Hit them with a liquid organic fertilizer every couple of weeks to keep the flavor intense and the growth steady. The best part is that the more you harvest, the more your plants will actually produce. Plucking fresh, sun-warmed cherry tomatoes right outside your door is the ultimate apartment flex, and it completely changes the way you eat.